A flat closing budget expiry day. Nifty opened positively but gave up gains later in the session, eventually closing slightly lower by 0.07%, that is at 17,779 points. The overall trend remained range-bound throughout the day. Key drivers are mixed global clues with positive sentiment from the US data and countered by concerns about rising interest rates. And some profit bookings takes place after recent gains in the market. IT and pharma sectors gained while metal and FMCG sectors declined. When coming to Bank Nifty followed a similar path to Nifty, opening higher but closing slightly lower by 0.13% at 42,985 points. Similar to Nifty, the trend remained range bound. Global clues, profit booking and sectoral performance are the key drivers. Mixed sentiment towards upcoming bank earning announcements is also one of the reasons. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty witnessed a lackluster day, lacking clear direction and closing marginally lower. Global uncertainties and profit booking were the main factors influencing the market. Sectoral performance was mixed, with some sectors gaining and other sectors losing. Today, our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has presented India's Interim Budget 2024 in Parliament. We'll discuss the key takeaways one by one in this video. Before going to that, like this video and also subscribe to our channel Financial Radio. The key takeaways from Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's recent budget speech in the lower house of the Parliament are as follows. No change in taxation scheme. First up, Sitharaman announced that there will be no changes in the taxation scheme, both in direct and indirect brackets. Notably, individuals with income of up to 7 lakh rupees will have no tax liability under the new regime. Focus on 4 major castes. During her speech, Sitharaman highlighted the government's focus on 4 major castes, Garib, Mahilyan, Yuva and Annadata, which resembles poor, women, youth and farmer. She emphasized that their needs, aspirations and welfares are the government's highest priority as their progress drives the country forward. Revised estimate for fiscal deficit. The revised estimate for the fiscal deficit is set at 5.8% of GDP. For financial year 25, the fiscal deficit is budgeted at 5.1% of GDP. Sitharaman mentioned that government borrowings will facilitate credit to the private sector. Domestic tourism. A major boost is planned for the domestic tourism industry, including spiritual tourism reflecting the Hindu resonance, and states will be encouraged to develop iconic tourist centers, branding and marketing them globally. Medical colleges. The government aims to set up more medical colleges by utilizing existing hospital infrastructure. A committee will be formed to examine issues and make recommendations. 300 units free electricity. Those availing the government's rooftop solar program will be entitled to free electricity worth 300 units every month, leading to significant annual savings for households. Housing for middle class. A new scheme will be launched to assist the middle class in buying or building their houses, especially those living in rented houses, slums, chawls or unauthorized colonies. The PM Awas Yojana aims to build 2 crore houses. Sitharaman announced the conversion of 40,000 normal train bogies into Vande Bharat coaches to enhance passenger comfort and safety, considering the expanding middle class and rapid urbanization. Maternal and child health care. Various schemes under maternal and child health care will be brought under one comprehensive program to ensure synergy in implementation. FDI, First Develop India. Sitharaman redefined FDI as First Develop India, highlighting that between 2014 to 2023, FDI, that is First Develop India program, stood at $596 billion, which is 5 times the amount received during 2005 and 2014. Now we'll discuss the details of how this budget affected the railway stocks like IRCTC, IRFC, RVNL and IRCON. The sell-off in these stocks followed Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's budget speech, and in this video we'll discuss them. And before going to that, like this video and subscribe to our channel Financial Radio. Shares of several railway related stocks including Rail Vikas Nigam, that is RVNL, IRFC, Indian Railway Finance Corporation, and IRCON, IRCTC, Railtel, RITES, Texmaco Rail, Titagarh Railway Systems and others witnessed a significant decline after the Finance Minister's budget presentation. The primary trigger for the sell-off was the announcement of a capital expenditure, that is capex, of 2.55 lakh crore for Indian Railways by Finance Minister Sitharaman. This figure, while slightly higher than the 2.4 lakh crore proposed in the previous budget, fell short of industry expectations, which were anticipating a higher capex of 3 lakh crore rupees. This discrepancy in expectations led to a negative market sentiment, resulting in the decline of railway stocks. Among the affected stocks, RITES, an engineering services company under the Ministry of Railways, emerged as the top laggard with a significant 5.2% fall. Meanwhile, shares of IRCTC, the catering and ticketing arm of Indian Railways, experienced a 1.95 drop, and RVNL saw a 4.4% decline following the budget announcement. Other stocks including IRFC, IRCON, Railtel, Texmaco Rail and Titagar Railway Systems also recorded declines in the range of 1 to 4%. In comparison to the railway stocks, the BSE Sensex tumbled by 167 points, reaching a low of 71,585 points, and the NSE Nifty fell by 67 points to 21,659 levels. The overall market reaction was influenced by the absence of significant announcements in the budget speech. FM Sitharaman did outline three major economic railway corridor programs under PM Gati Shakti, aimed at improving logistics efficiency and reducing costs. These programs include energy, mineral and cement corridors, port connectivity corridors and high traffic density corridors. The FM emphasized that these initiatives, along with dedicated freight corridors, would accelerate GDP growth and reduce logistic costs. The finance minister also revealed plans to convert 40,000 normal rail bogies to the Vande Bharat standards, enhancing safety, convenience and comfort for passengers. However, specific details about the introduction of new Vande Bharat trains and no-frills Amrit Bharat Express this year were not disclosed. In conclusion, the sell-off in railway stocks can be attributed to the gap between market expectations and the announced railway capex in the budget. Investors will be closely monitoring how these budgetary decisions impact the railway sector in the coming days. Now, we have another update regarding the solar rooftops. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman revealed a crucial initiative to boost solar rooftop installations in Indian households. Despite India's 500 gigawatt renewable energy goal, only 2.2 gigawatt of rooftop solar is installed in homes as of July 2023, with the majority in commercial and industrial sectors. Sitharaman's announcement aligns with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's commitment to electrify 1 crore households with solar electricity through the Pradhanmantri Suryodaya Yojana. This initiative aims to provide 1 crore households with up to 300 units of free electricity monthly, fostering residential solar adoption. The focus is on reducing electricity bills with potential savings of 15 to 18,000 rupees annually. Residents can also sell surplus electricity, and the initiative opens entrepreneurship and employment opportunities. Rahul Walwakar, founder of India Energy Storage Alliance, anticipates 20 to 30 gigawatt solar rooftop deployment, emphasizing the integration of solar and energy storage for a 50 to 80 gigawatt deployment. In conclusion, India's interim budget emphasizes residential solar adoption, contributing to energy goals and economic benefits. If you really found this video helpful at any point of time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Financial Radio. Thanks for watching. That's all we have for today.